let's take a look at this 67. Nice looking truck, 67 Chevrolet C10. As you can see, kind of in a blood red, kind of a nice deep red finish to it. Riding on Riddler wheels. Nice stance, nice look to this truck. 67's popular year. This particular truck powered by an Era Correct 283 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired with an automatic transmission with shifter on the column. This truck actually originated out of Nevada before it made its way back to us. Has had a repaint, has been gone through. I would call it a nice driver quality paint. As you can see, it does have a nice luster to it. Truck's nice and straight, has a good look. But when I say the driver quality, you can tell it's been out and been driven a little bit. People have enjoyed it. You're going to have a few little touch-ups, little nicks here and there in the paint, but overall shows well. Won't be afraid to take this to any local shows or cruise-ins. Nice sounding truck also. Also has some nice equipment on it. Does have power brakes, front disc, and does have recently installed brakes. I believe they look like the booster was new on this one. It also has a new carb on it, new shocks. This one's had some upgrades recently, make it a nice driver. Also had a dealer installed AC option to it. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take a look underneath the hood, look underneath the underside pics of this vehicle, interior, bed, go to uniqueclassiccars.com or down below this video in the description. You're going to see a link. Click on that. That'll take you there. We can also be reached at 507-386-1726. Feel free to give us a call. Be happy to help you out with this truck. Red on red with the white top. Does have a red cloth bench seat. I played around a little bit with the equipment in this one. I've not had that AC working. I did have the radio work fine. Also, wipers were working. As you can see, regular cab long box does have a nice tonneau cover installed on it. No bed line or anything like that, but again, you can check out the still pictures. I'll go over that with you in a little bit. One thing I want to mention also, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this vehicle transported to where you're located at. See the chrome in this truck, nice shape. Straight up and down the driver's side here also. Like I said, if you're looking for a nice driver, want to have a little fun, pickups are hot right now, good year here, give us a call, 507-386-1726. And again, those still pictures, you want to check out the undersides, the bed, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Right down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. That's going to take you there. Again, 283 Era Correct V8 underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Riddler wheels, power brakes, front disc up front. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Rubber floor in it, which appears to be pretty original. Some of the underside of this, the actual rubber flooring may have been replaced on top of it. Metal door panels. Again, cloth bench seat, red on red. Other than that, as far as the steering and the dash and all that, appears to be original. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Like I said, I did have the radio working earlier. Looks like it has the old GM AM in it. Did have that working. Wipers were working, and then there is that aftermarket, or I should say dealer installed AC that was put on it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oil pressure gauge comes up, fuel gauge comes up, does appear to work. Battery, also working, and temperature, I'm going to assume, come up with the temp of the engine. Odometer reads 61,379. I do not have documentation that's original or not. It does not say on the title after the truck becomes a certain age, so you can hear how smooth that runs. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Nicely that door closes. Come around to the back. Like I said, Nice sounding V8. I'm going to go up to the front here. Let's pause this video a second, pop the hood, and let's check out what the engine bay looks like underneath there. Alright, let's check out the engine bay. First of all, underneath the hood, nice and clean and tidy. Like I said, look like new brake booster, some power brakes. See how smooth that engine is running. Nice it sounds. Aero-correct power plant for this truck. AC components that are underneath there yet. Looks like a newer battery. So there you have it in a nutshell. 1967 Chevrolet C10. Originally a Nevada truck. Now available to purchase. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Down below this video there is a link. Click on it, uniqueclassiccars.com is our website will take you to. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and of course we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.